In this video, we'll be showing you step by step on how to install a mono-ceiling mount shelving system featuring glass shelves. Before we begin, please note that we recommend professional installation with all of our products to ensure that all the attachments and blocking considerations are met. The first thing you need to do is find suitable ceiling blocking which can support the weight of this unit and its contents. Mount the collars to the ceiling blocking and affix using the provided fasteners. Be sure to face the set screw where it will be least visible. Slide the bracket into the collar and tighten the set screw to secure it in place. Make sure to leave 3.5 inches of space between the bottom end of the bracket and the floor for the adjustable foot. Then slide the foot under the bracket and adjust the height until it sits tight against the floor. Next, mark the height at which you'd like your top shelf to be installed. Attach the mono end plates. On a sturdy flat surface, line up the edge of the glass shelf with the included blocking. Remove the plastic from one side of the VHB tape and apply it to the glass. Be sure it is centered and sits flush up against the edge of the glass. Then remove the plastic off the top of the VHB tape and line up the glass clip with the edge of the blocking and apply firm pressure. Repeat this step on the opposite edge of the glass shelf. These bottom clips are the components that will hold your glass shelf in place while you install the top clips. Flip the glass shelf over so that the clip is on the bottom. Align your shelf with the mono end plates. Place the other glass clip on top and secure it in place. Repeat these steps for any additional glass shelves. While this video shows the installation of a shelving unit with glass shelves, wooden shelves are also available for purchase at fittingscollection.com.